In this video, I will show you how to connect Xero with FiscoBridge and start fiscalizing your invoices automatically. First, we open the FiscoBridge website and go to the Customer Portal. After logging in, you will land on the Customer Portal dashboard. From here, open the Integrations page. Every new integration includes 10 free invoices, so you can test the connection and verify that everything works correctly. After using the free invoices, you will need to purchase and activate an integration package based on your expected monthly invoice volume. To create a new integration, click the Create Integration button. Now choose Xero as the integration type. The next step is to upload your PFX certificate. This is the certificate you request from the Taxpayer Admin Portal. It is used to securely connect your business with the tax system. Select your PFX certificate file, enter the certificate password, and then enter your PAC code. After the certificate is uploaded, you need to confirm whether you want to use training mode. Training mode is used for test invoices. If you want to issue real invoices, you should use the normal invoice mode. When everything is ready, click Connect. You will now be redirected to Xero, where you can connect your Xero organization with FiscoBridge. On the Xero authorization page, allow FiscoBridge to access your Xero account. If you have multiple Xero organizations, choose the organization you want to connect. And that is it. Xero is now connected to FiscoBridge. From this point, your invoices can be fiscalized automatically. You may see a warning about tax rates. This means your tax rates in Xero must match the tax rates from your tax system. To set tax rates in Xero, open your Xero app, go to the tax menu item, and choose Tax Rates. Here you can review your existing tax rates. You can remove tax rates that are not used and create the tax rates required by your tax system. In this example, we will create a new tax rate called A. We set the display name to VAT, and we set the tax component value to A. Then we create another tax rate called N with 0% and in some cases, you may need a tax rate that contains two tax components. Xero also supports this, so you can create a tax rate with multiple components if your tax system requires it. This is especially useful if you have products or services that need two different taxes applied to the same invoice line. After the tax rates are set, you are ready to issue invoices. FiscoBridge will fiscalize them automatically. Simply create a new sale in Xero, add the item, and choose the correct tax rate for that item. You can choose when the invoice should be fiscalized. It can be fiscalized when the sale is approved or when payment is added. In this example, we will create a new invoice and then check the fiscalization result. We can choose whether the invoice is fiscalized when it is approved or when a payment is added. This gives you flexibility to match the way your business processes invoices and payments. In this demonstration, we will approve the invoice first, but fiscalization will not happen immediately. Instead, it will be triggered automatically once a payment is recorded against the invoice. Now let's open the invoice details. After fiscalization is completed, FiscoBridge will attach the fiscalized invoice journal or slip to the invoice in Xero. It will also add a note with the fiscalization result. Let's open the attachment. The attachment is a PDF file. It can be downloaded, printed, or stored with the invoice. It contains the invoice details, fiscal information, and the QR code required for verification. You can also see that two notes were added to the invoice. One note contains the fiscalization result. The second note confirms that the fiscalized PDF attachment was added. And that is it. Congratulations, your Xero organization is now connected with FiscoBridge and ready for compliant automatic fiscalization in less than 4 minutes.